Today we're gonna make a pepperoni pizza sandwich that was inspired by a YouTube video that I just found. But I'm gonna make my little twist to it because I don't have all of his ingredients, but I think what I have on hand right now is gonna make it absolutely delicious. So let's start off with a baguette. So let's cut it in half here. And for the sake of presentation, we're gonna cut off the tip and then we're gonna cut the baguette right in the middle. Gonna add some garlic butter, pizza sauce. So the reason we're cutting up the provolone is just so it melts easier. Then we're gonna completely cover the pizza sandwich with pepperoni. Let's put it in the oven. Start grating some Pecorino Romano over the pepperoni. And the other guy's recipe, he uses a secret ingredient, which is a hot honey sauce. But I got my secret ingredient, Cosmo Q's cherry habanero barbecue sauce. Let's assemble this pizza sandwich. Time to eat this bad boy. This is totally delicious. A big thank you to Cosmo Q for providing me a bunch of delicious barbecue sauce. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and check out my other great content.